What's good, creators? Welcome back to Monzon Media. Today I wanted to share with you a little trick I've been using lately called the Superscale function within Davinci Resolve. And basically what it does, it takes your 1080p footage and upscales it to 4K. Now obviously it's not going to be true 4K footage, but it does make your footage look a lot better, especially in 1080p, because now you're kind of getting more of a realistic visual representation of what your footage actually looks like. And the 4K is actually very acceptable. So here we are in Resolve, and the footage I'm using again is from my M50. You may or may not have seen some of this footage, but I wanted to use this footage just to kind of prove my point. With the M50 and the 50mm 1.8, this isn't the most expensive gear, but you could still get pretty good results with it. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the little gear icon here, which is your settings, your project setting. You want to change your timeline resolution to 3840 by 2160. Now this is going to give you a 4K timeline. Now the video monitoring, you could also change it to monitor in 4K resolution. And then the last thing to do really is to just select all your clips here. You could simply drag and select it, or click on the first and the last clip while holding Shift, and right click anywhere on any of your footage and look for clip attributes. Now under the video tab, you're going to see at the bottom here Superscale. So you want to check that box. Some people say to use 2 times. I use 4 times just to get the best quality. Sharpness you'll have to experiment with. I find that if I leave it on medium or low, that it does a pretty good job. Now unless you've already applied sharpening to your footage, you could probably leave it off or leave it low. I'm going to leave mine on low actually. And then noise reduction, again, if you've done it to your footage already, it's not necessary. I'm going to keep mine on low because I do have a little bit of noise reduction. Simply press OK, and all that's left to do is export your video. So obviously I rendered this ahead of time, and we're going to play the footage in just a second. Just keep in mind again, this isn't going to give you real 4K footage, but it's at least going to make your 1080p footage look better, and the 4K footage is very acceptable in my opinion.